Polk County, the city of Mena, and this is their city park that's in the middle of town. And this cabin was built in 1851. We just stopped for a quick minute to check it out. We're fixing to get on Talimena Drive and do the Scenic Drive. But we want to check a few things out here in Mena. We've been here many times and never taken the time to stop and just kind of check things out. This is the little park. I had a camping trip planned for this weekend, but it rained all day Friday, all Friday night, or all last night. It was raining this morning. It's still spitting mist and rain right now. So we decided instead we'd just take a day trip. So we left Texarkana this morning and headed up to Mena to see how much the leaves might have changed in this part of the country. And there's still a lot of green, but you are starting to see colors. And when we get on Talimena Drive for the Scenic Byway, we should really be able to get shots of what the trees are doing. I would say another week, but it does seem in this part of the country that the leaves are starting to fall off quite a bit. The trees are getting thinner, but those are oaks over there, and you can see there's color coming into them.